What are the best budget-friendly computer lab setups for schools? Imagine giving students access to technology without breaking the bank. Setting up a computer lab that is both affordable and functional is easier than you think. Let's explore some practical ways to do this. First, start by figuring out how many students will use the lab and what activities they will do. Will they be browsing the internet, writing papers, or learning coding? Knowing this helps you choose the right hardware. For a small school or tight budget, used or refurbished computers are a smart choice. You can find reliable desktops that cost around $50 to $70 each, and they work well for basic tasks. If you want to go even lower, consider Raspberry Pi microcomputers. These tiny devices cost about $50 each and run on Linux-based systems. A setup with 12 Raspberry Pi units connected to a central server can be built for around $1,500. This setup supports web browsing, word processing, and simple educational applications. For monitors, you can use existing screens or buy budget-friendly options from local stores. Keyboards and mice are also inexpensive, often costing less than $10 each when bought in bulk. When it comes to software, use free options whenever possible. Linux operating systems like Ubuntu are free and come with many educational tools. For Windows or Apple computers, look for educational discounts or volume licensing deals to save money. Networking is key for a smooth experience. A good wired or wireless router, along with switches and Ethernet cables, will keep everything connected. Used or refurbished networking equipment can cut costs significantly. Make sure the lab space is designed for comfort and safety. Ergonomic chairs and proper ventilation don't have to be expensive but make a big difference. Protect your investment with basic security measures like firewalls, antivirus software, and lockable cabinets for equipment. Regular maintenance is essential. Training teachers or staff to manage the computers can reduce support costs over time. For example, a school with limited funds can set up a 12-station lab using Raspberry Pi units connected to a central server. This can be done for about $1,500 to $2,000. Larger schools might opt for refurbished desktops with pre-installed educational software and a solid network setup. This approach makes technology accessible for all students without overspending. By choosing cost-effective hardware, free software, and smart planning, schools can give students the tools they need to succeed while staying within budget.